where we left off from video 1. In this video, we're going to look at examples of graphing lines given a point and slope. And then we'll also look at finding slope of a line by looking at a graph. So first of all, when we graph a line, we first have to plot the point. So the point is -3, 5. Now I'm going to use this red dot. Whenever you plot a point, you have to start at the origin. So the first number in an ordered pair tells you to go right or left. Okay? If it's positive, we go to the right. If it's negative, we go to the left. So in this particular point, we're going to go to the left because 3 is negative. The second number tells you to go up or down. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative. So since this point is positive, we're going to go up. So we're going to start at the origin. Anytime we graph an ordered pair, start at the origin, and we're going to go to the left. Oops. Go to the left 3. 1, 2, 3, and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where our first point is going to be. Now, when we do our second point, we start at the point that we just ended on. The slope is directions to the next point. It is not a point itself. So our slope is 2/3. I'm going to write that over here. Now, slope has opposite directions than graphing an ordered pair. When we graph the slope, we go up or down first. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative, then right or left. Right if it's positive, left if it's negative. So in this point, 2, we're going to go up 2 and then right 3 from the point -3, 5. So we're going to go to up 2, 1, 2, and then right 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's where our second point is going to land, right there on the y-axis. Okay? Then you're going to draw a line through the 2 points. So I'm just going to show you what that should look like. You do need to use a straight edge of some kind and draw a straight line. Make sure your line is straight, that it's long, it takes up the whole graph, the whole coordinate plane, and arrows are on both ends. Okay? All right, let's look at another example. This one we're going to plot -4, 0. So -4 tells me I'm going to go left 4, and then 0 means I'm not going to go up or down. I'm just going to stay right there at -4. So let's take our point, start at the origin, go to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're not going up or down. We're staying right there. Now, the second point starts at -4, 0, but the slope is -2/3. So we're going to go down 2 and right 3 from -4, 0. So down 2 and right 3. Lands right there. And then we're going to draw our line through those 2 points. So again, straight line, use a straight edge, make it long, not short and squatty, and make sure arrows are on both ends. All right, one more, I think. Let's do this one. 5, -3. We're going to go right 5 and down 3. So right 5 from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 3. 1, 2, 3. And this says draw a line with an undefined slope. So this is, if you remember from Miss Wooten's class, she talked about Vux Hoy. V means vertical. Vertical lines have an undefined slope, and their equation starts with the letter X. We'll get to that later. Horizontal lines have 0 slope and start with the equations, a Y is in their equation. All right, so we'll get to the X and Y part first, but it says an undefined slope. So if it's undefined, that means it's a vertical line. So I have a vertical line, and I'm going to draw it through that point 5, -3. Again, straight line, arrows on both ends, long. All right, oh, here's another one. All right, so let's start at origin. Now this says 0, -4. That means we're not going right or left. We're only going to go down 4. So go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 0 slope. So again, Vuxhoy. If it has a 0 slope, then it's horizontal. So we're going to take our line and draw it through the point 0, -4. All right, now let's talk about finding slopes of a line. You're going to be given lines. You need to be able to pick out points on those lines. So let's start here. I want a point. I want you to notice that this line is going through those 4 boxes, those 4 gray boxes. So that's a point there. I don't want a point that's not going, I don't want that point there. See, that's not going through an intersection of 4 boxes. I want this point right here. Okay? So you need 2 points on that line. Start with the point on the left side of the screen. So we're going to start here, and we're going to count up. 1, 2. So I counted up 2. That means that my top number is positive 2. And then go to the right 1. So the slope of this line is 2. And notice it's positive 2. Notice this line is going up from left to right. So if it's going up from left to right, then it's going to have a positive slope, hence positive 2. Now I drew these arrows here, up here. You don't have to draw those. I just wanted you to see, because I'm doing this on a video, how I was counting. All right, let's look at this other one. All right, so we need to find 2 points on the line. We're looking for where it intersects those 4 squares. And here's another one. Let's pick this one. Okay, I just picked randomly 2 dots, 2 points that it's intersecting those 4 squares, 1 in each place. And let's find the slope of this one. Now, again, start with the number, with a dot on the left. Start with the dot on the left. I'm going to count down until I'm even with that dot. So I went down 4. Now I'm going to go right 2. So that means the top number is your up or down. Bottom number is your the right or left. So I went right. So that reduces to -2. So the slope of the line on the left is positive 2. Slope of the line on the right is -2. So if the line is going down from left to right, then that means it's a negative slope. Okay? All right, and on these, I want you to notice that our lines, first on here, the line here is horizontal. So remember Vuxhoy. If it's a horizontal line, then it has a 0 slope. So here's the slope is 0. Over here on this one, here's my line. It's kind of hard to see. That is a vertical line, so it has an undefined slope. Okay? All right, so we'll stop here before we go to the next video, which is examples of your homework problems.